Hello students, welcome to IE. In this session, we are going to discuss a numerical on the current mirror circuit for the low value of beta. So let's get started. So in this numerical, you can see consider the below circuit where Q1 and Q2 transistors are perfectly matched. So this is the circuit given. Q1 transistor and Q2 transistors are perfectly matched. And the value of the IOUT value कहाँ पे है? यहाँ पे मेरा IOUT value है. So the IOUT value is 0.99 of the I reference. So IOUT will be 0.99 of this I reference. So which of the followings are the true? So यहाँ पे देखिए check box देके beta equals to 5, beta 3 equals to 50, beta equals to 5 and beta 3 equals to 5. Beta equals to 50 and beta 3 equals to 6 and beta equals to 40 and beta 3 equals to 60. So that means whenever you know that for the upcoming GATE examination, whenever you see a checkbox in the option, it is a multiple selection question. So actually this is a multiple selection question. You have to find which of the options are correct for this given data. तो फर्स्ट थिंग यहाँ पे क्या बोला गया है? फर्स्ट थिंग्स द Q1 and the Q2 transistors are perfectly matched. So if the Q1 and Q2 transistors are perfectly matched, we know what are the parameters will be same for the two transistors. So before going to that, let us find the current components, or let us name the current components in the circuit. So the first current component that I am denoting here for the Q3 transistors, this is the beta, this is the base of the transistor, this is the base of the transistor. So if this is the base of the transistor, then let us denote this current as IB3 for the Q3 transistor. So since it is the emitter of this Q3, so emitter will be in the outward direction and I can denote it as IE3. Similarly, the collector पे मेरा जो करंट इनवर्ट पे आएगा that is IC3. So this is the current component of the Q3 transistor. Now let us see Q1 and Q2. अब Q1 and Q2 transistors are perfectly matched. So if they are perfectly matched, then I can say that the IC current of the Q1 transistor IC1 will be equals to the IC current of the Q2 transistor IC2. ये दोनों सेम होंगे. So let us denote it as IC because they are perfectly matched. Another thing, the base current of the transistor Q1, that is IB1, it will be equals to the IB2 of the Q2 transistor, and let us say the value is IB because they are perfectly matched. Similarly, we can also say that the beta of the transistor 1, that is beta 1, and the beta of the transistor Q2, that is beta 2, both of them are same and they are equal. Because in the question they have given that the transistors Q1 and Q2 are perfectly matched, so these parameters will be same. So right now, let us denote the current components of the Q1. So Q1, you can see it is an NPN transistor. So if it is an NPN transistor, so the IB current will be in the inward direction IB. IE current will be in the outward direction IE. So यहाँ से मेरा IC current आएंगे. So we will get IC current here. So IC, IB and IE. Similarly, यहाँ पे भी for the Q2 transistor I can denote it as IC current. यहाँ से मेरा IB current और यहाँ से मेरा IE करंट. सो बोथ Q1 एंड Q2 आर matched, इसीलिए IB और IB दोनों सेम, IC सेम, IE सेम. सो दिस इज द करंट डायरेक्शन और द करंट कंपोनेंट्स you can denote in this circuit. Now, if you look at this IE3, so let us look at the IE3. So in this IE3, I can write IE3. What is IE3? IE3 is equals to IB3 plus IC3. मैं लिख सकता हूं. So IB3 plus IC3 नाउ ये जो ट्रांजिस्टर है, ये ट्रांजिस्टर का बीटा 3 गिवन है. सो बीटा 3 अगर गिवन है, बीटा 3 इज डिनोटेड. सो आई कैन राइट द IC. वी नो दैट IC is equals to beta into IB हमेशा for the transistor in the active region. So I can denote this IC3 also. So it will come out to be यहाँ पे IB3 और IC3 को क्या लिख सकता हूँ, बीटा 3 into IC3. So beta 3 into IC3. So if I take beta 3 into IB3, beta 3 into IB3. So I can write as beta 3 into IB3 for the IC3. Now take beta 3 IB3 common. So IB3 if I take common, then it will come out to be 1 plus beta 3. Now from this value I can find the value of the IB3. So from this equation if I find the value of IB3, it will come out to be E3 divided by 1 plus beta 3. So this is one equation of IB3 we can get. Let us say this is equation number 1. So IB3 आपका आया IE3 divided by 1 plus beta 3. Another thing, ये जो IE3 current है, this IE3 current is dividing into two parts. ये IB, ये IB. So that means I can also write another one equation. Another one equation I can write that IE3 is equals to 2 of IB, because IE3 is equals to 2 of IB. So from this two equation, ये मेरा equation number 2, ये मेरा equation number 3, you can see. So equation number 2 से ये IE3 का वैल्यू मैं यहाँ पे पुट कर सकता हूँ. So if I put the value of IE3 from equation number 2 in the equation number 1, then I can write that IB3 equation will be IE3 equals to 2 of IB. So 2 of IB divided by 1 plus beta 3. So this is the equation for IB3. Now IB3 आपका मिल गया, यहाँ पे ये वाला करंट मिल गया. Now if you apply the KCL at this node, ये वाले नोड पे KCL अप्लाई कीजिए. So ये वाले नोड पे अगर मैं KCL अप्लाई करूंगा, so मैं लिख सकता हूं after applying KCL at this node, I reference can be written as IC plus IB3. So IC plus IB3. IB3 का वैल्यू यहां से आएगा. So let us put the value here. So I can put the value. So IC जहां पे है वहां पे रह दीजिए. यहां पे IB3 का वैल्यू आपका 2 of IB divided by 1 plus beta 3. Now this IB can be written as, IB का वैल्यू क्या होता है यहाँ पे, IC by beta. So मैं लिख सकता हूं यहाँ पे मेरा IC है, यहाँ पे IB है. So IC यहाँ पे है, इसको लिखूंगा 2 by 1 plus beta 3. और IB को क्या लिख सकता हूं, IB is equals to IC by beta. Now यहां से मैं IC कॉमन ले सकता हूं. So let us take the common IC. So if we take common IC, यहां पे आएगा आपका 1, यहां पे आ जाएंगे 2 by beta into 1 plus beta 3. So now take the LCM. So if we take the LCM, तो यहां पे आया है IC. अब if I take the LCM, it will come out to be beta 1 plus beta 3 plus 2 divided by, यहां पे नीचे आएगा आपका बीटा into 1 plus beta 3. Now ये जो IC है, ये IC वैल्यू क्या है, just go to the figure. IC is nothing but I out. So I can replace this IC as I out. So from this equation यहाँ पे क्या था, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे मेरा I रेफरेंस था. So IC is nothing but the I out. You can see that यहाँ से. So now if I want to find the value of IC as I out, so I can write since IC is equals to I out. So I can write I out as क्या होगा? I out will be, this one will be in the numerator. So beta 1 plus beta 3 divided by beta into 1 plus beta 3 plus 2, इसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा I reference. So this is the final equation of the I out of this circuit. Of this circuit, ये वाले सर्किट के लिए. So I out आपके पास आ गया. अब आपके पास गिवन है कि I out वैल्यू is equals to I reference into 0.99. Now what I will do, I will take each of the option and put here and see whether it is 0.99 I reference or not. So if for that purpose, if I take the first option, so let us take it as a first option. Option A, ये मेरा option B, ये मेरा option C, and this is option D. So if I go for the option A, so option A में मेरा बीटा वैल्यू क्या है? बीटा is 5 and beta 3 is 50. So I out क्या होगा? So I out will be beta value is 5, so it will be 5 into 1 plus beta 3 is 50, so 1 plus 50 divided by 5 into 1 plus 50 plus 2 उसके साथ मेरा I reference. Now if you calculate this, it will come out to be यहाँ पे 51, so 5 into 51 divided by 5 into 51 plus 2 उसके साथ मेरा I reference. Now just calculate this, you will get it as 0.99 I reference. That means the first option is true. First option is true. Now go for the second option. Second option पे मेरा बीटा वैल्यू क्या है और बीटा 3 क्या है? बीटा is 5, beta 3 is 5. So I can find the value of I out. So I out was beta into 1 plus beta 3. So it will be 5 into 1 plus 5 divided by 5 into 1 plus 5, 5 into 1 plus 5 plus 2 into I reference. So what will be the value right now? तो यहाँ पे आएगा 5 into 6 divided by 5 into 6 plus 2 into I reference. So if you calculate this in the calculator, you will get it as 0.937 of I reference. तो मेरे पास क्या था? 0.99 I reference. That means the option B is not the correct option. ये वाला option आपका correct option नहीं है. So now go for the option C. Option C. So in the option C, beta is 50 and beta 3 is 6. So for that, I can write I out as क्या है यहाँ पे? Beta is 50. So 50 into 1 plus 6. 50 into 1 plus 6. उसके बाद है beta 50 into 1 plus 6. 50 into 1 plus 6 plus 2. यहाँ पे आएगा. So now इसके साथ है I reference. So if you calculate this, you will also get it as 0.99 of I reference. Okay. So now so ऑप्शन सी में क्या है? ऑप्शन सी में भी आपका राइट आंसर हो रहा है. सो ऑप्शन सी को मैं चेक करता हूं. ऑप्शन ए था, ऑप्शन सी था. नाउ लेट अस गो फॉर द ऑप्शन डी. सो ऑप्शन डी में मेरा आई आउट क्या होगा? आई आउट बीटा कितना है? 40. बीटा 3 कितना है? 60. सो आई कैन राइट इट एज 40 इंटू 1 प्लस 60 डिवाइडेड बाय यहां पे क्या आएगा? 40 इंटू 1 प्लस 60 प्लस 2 और इसके साथ मेरा आई रेफरेंस. सो इफ यू कैलकुलेट दिस, यू विल ऑल्सो गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ 0.99 आई रेफरेंस. सो यू कैन सी ऑप्शन बी आपका गलत था, तो ऑप्शन ए सही, ऑप्शन सी वाला सही, ऑप्शन डी आपका करेक्ट था. So in this way you can expect some multiple selection questions on the current mirror circuit like this. Actually ये जो circuit था, this circuit is called the current mirror circuit for calculating or for current mirror circuit for the small value of beta. So the name of the circuit is that, actually theoretically this is the current mirror circuit, CMC circuit for small value of beta. स्मॉल बीटा के लिए मेरा देखिए बीटा कितना स्मॉल है, 5 है, 50 है, 6 है, फिर भी आपका जो आई आउट करंट है, आई आउट करंट नियरली इक्वल्स टू आई रेफरेंस करंट हो रहा है, नियरली इक्वल्स टू आई रेफरेंस करंट, नियरली इक्वल्स टू आई रेफरेंस करंट. पहले ये नहीं होता था. सो दिस सर्किट or the current mirror circuit is the modified current mirror circuit for the small value of beta. So hopefully you have enjoyed this video and thank you for watching the video.